Hey guys, I made a new friend, Django here. How long's it been since you've seen a glassed-in slide-out? Yeah, me too. We're gonna check it out right now. Hey, if you're new to our channel, welcome, and also hit that subscribe button down there and you're gonna get some really fun, creative RV videos on a regular basis. Okay, so what we have on tap today, this is a 2016 Prime Time Lacrosse 326 BFW. They say it's a 38 footer and it's so rare that it's not in the NADA book, so they can't find another one like it to compare it to. But the most unique feature of this camper is of course going to be this crazy slide out on the side. Not only is it like completely glassed in, but even on the sides of the slide out here, it's glassed in. I cannot wait to see the inside of that, which we are fixing to see here in just a second. But this glass is just massive. It takes up the entire side of the slide out. Oh wow. This is so nice. But of course the feature of all features is going to be the window, that view. She said you can't find these anymore. Similar ones, but not ones that have the entire slide out with the view on it. What a plus that is. It just makes it in here. It's kind of like a glassed in solarium. It's just absolutely beautiful. She said the heat's not that big a problem either, but it does, of course, it's going to get hot in here. But overall, look what all that glass does in here. The double slide out across from each other with all this glass. Well, it just doesn't get much better than this. So spacious. Nice. Sink. The counter. The sunken TV inside. It's nice. The storage. Fireplace. Look at that refrigerator. Island, kitchen. Oh, it's beautiful. And look at this. Check out this bathroom. I love this kind of shower too. How nice is that? That thing is huge. Looks like that toilet may be a little bigger than ours. And then it's got a hallway that goes back into the bedroom. Walk around bed, of course. Slide out. Look at this space on this cabinet and their dressers here.
Hey y'all, I'm Danielle Landry. This is my son Django. We were going to show you around the camper, maybe some of our organization that we found along the way. So I found these little gems. I think I got them from the Dollar Tree and they fit so nicely up here and they make it look nice and organized. I hang my towel on a clothes rack. I've also got some hanging room.
Nice.
I just use plastic bins up here so I can kind of see what I'm getting into. And I also use this for my first aid kit, kind of keep everything organized. Cabinet. So I did the same thing in here so that I could really see what I've got. Keep it nice and organized. And you know, just whenever we get ready to leave, we throw in what we need so I can just take these into the house and load it up real easy so I'm not carrying grocery bags all the time. I've got this little cool organizer where I keep everything. And when I do have to carry a bag, I always carry these type of bags. Very sturdy. Love them. I got this one from Tuesday Morning. And then my husband gets a lot from Whataburger because, you know, he buys him a lot of biscuits. Oh, another one of my favorite little things that I found was in here, my DVD player. So this is where I keep all my DVDs, and I found this neat little CD box. So I'm able to put the movie. So I've got just all the movies that you need for the weekends. We've got 4 different containers, so it's, you know, usually 1 adult, 1 kids. So we love these containers. And then I do the same thing up here. I take the clear bins. This is where I put my outdoor movie screen, all the dog stuff. And then over here we've got all the games and all the hammocks and everything. So anything to do with entertainment kind of goes up here, so anybody can get to it at any time. We've got so much organization on both sides of the couch. I wish I would have found something that opens up with some storage. But either way, we use them for everything. We use them for the rocking chair, we use them for the couch, we use it as the dining room table. So I mean, you know, we just make it work.
Hey, if you're new to our channel, welcome, and also hit that subscribe button down there, and you're going to get some really fun, creative RV videos on a regular basis. And we appreciate you watching. We'll check you later.